Look at this view. Seriously, just look. Ocean, sunset, silence. With a view like this, people usually go on dates, or at least take a photo and write, "Life is good." And these guys came to work. If you didn't know the context, you could think this is the start of a romantic movie. Boat, sun going down, everything looks perfect, almost too perfect. But no, this is not a date. This is fishing. And not the kind of fishing where you sit with a rod, drink beer, and lie to your friends about the fish that got away last year. Look at them. Nobody is standing there saying, "Wow, so beautiful." Because if you look at the sunset too long, you're not looking at your job. And that's actually funny. The ocean is doing its best. "Hey, look at me, I'm amazing today." And they're like, "Yeah, nice. So, where's the bait?" From the outside, everything looks calm. No shouting. No running around, no chaos. But that's not because they don't care. It's because they've been here before, and they already know. The ocean doesn't forgive relaxed people. And honestly, that's why you want to tease them a little. Because with a view like this, you could just enjoy life. And instead they're like, "All right guys, focus, no extra stuff." And at this moment, you understand the main thing. This video is not about pretty shots. Pretty shots are just a bonus. This video is about people who look at the ocean not like a postcard, but like a workplace. And from here, it only gets harder. Because if something goes wrong here, no sunset will save you. After all this beauty, reality starts. Nobody cares about the view anymore. Nobody makes stories with "life is good." Everyone switches mode. Okay, let's work. And it's always funny to watch. 1 second ago, a travel postcard. Next second, people with one question in their eyes. Where the hell is the fish? Look how picky they are. Seriously. Sometimes it feels like if something goes wrong, someone will say, "Stop. Are you sure you did this right?" They check everything. They wipe things. They check again. They look like the fish is already somewhere nearby, watching them. It looks funny. But this is how people work who already messed up 1,000 times and said, "Yeah, that one was on us." And then comes the first moment when everyone goes, "Oh, here we go." Tension, focus, ready, and then nothing. Gone, lost, goodbye. And you know what's funny? Nobody is really upset. Because if you go to the ocean thinking everything will go by plan, you're either new or very optimistic. Most of the time, both. The second try feels different. You can feel it immediately. The first time was excitement. The first time was hope. Everyone was thinking, "Okay, maybe today is the day." This time, nobody is thinking like that anymore. Nobody is smiling. Nobody is joking. Nobody is talking too much. And that's always a bad sign, or a very good one. Depends how you look at it. Because now everyone understands one simple thing. This is not fun anymore. This is work, serious work. You can see it in their faces. The jokes are gone. The relaxed vibe is gone. Now it's just focus. And what's funny is this. From the outside, it still looks calm. No drama, no screaming, no "oh my god" moments. Just a few guys standing there, looking almost bored. But if you've ever done something where one small mistake can destroy hours of effort, you know exactly what's happening inside their heads. Their bodies look calm, but their brains are loud. Very loud. Everyone is double-checking everything. Not because they love checking things, but because they really hate explaining later why they messed up. This is the moment when people stop trusting luck. Luck already had its chance. It didn't work. Now it's about control. And control is boring to watch, but very hard to do. And then it happens. They finally catch the fish. The line goes tight. Not a joke this time. Not a mistake. This one is real. Everyone feels it immediately. The rod bends hard. The boat changes position. Now there is no doubt. This is not trash. This is not a small fish. This is the one. People start moving fast, but not crazy fast. Everyone knows what to do. One guy controls the rod. Another watches the line. Someone moves the boat. No talking, no shouting, only short words, only work. The fish pulls hard, very hard. The rod is shaking. The line is screaming. This is not a short fight. The fish runs, then stops, then runs again. The boat follows, minutes pass, arms get tired, faces get serious. Nobody smiles now, because losing this fish would hurt a lot. Slowly, very slowly, they start winning. The fish gets closer. You can feel it. The water moves differently, and then they see it. The fish comes up, big, heavy, real. Now everyone wakes up. This is the moment they were waiting for. They didn't come for nothing. They got the fish. Now everything changes. A second ago, everyone was calm. Now nobody is calm. People start moving fast, but not stupid fast. Fast like they know what they're doing. No screaming, no panic, just short sentences. Very short. Because long sentences are useless when you're holding a giant fish. Someone grabs the rope. Someone grabs the gear. Someone almost trips but pretends it didn't happen. Classic. The fish is still fighting, and it is not happy at all. This fish did not wake up today thinking, yeah, today I will be caught. So it pulls hard, and the guys pull back. Now this is the moment when numbers really matter. The tuna is almost 10 feet long, about 115 inches. When you see it next to the boat, it looks longer than the people standing there. The total weight of the fish is over 800 pounds, more than 800. That is around 360 kilograms. This is not a normal fish. This is heavier than most motorcycles. And then comes the detail that really shocks people. They say the head alone weighs about 100 pounds. 100 pounds just for the head. That is around 45 kilograms. Imagine lifting a full bag of cement. Now imagine that bag is a fish head. That is what they are dealing with. The body of the tuna is thick and wide, very dense. This fish is built like a missile. No thin parts, no weak-looking spots, everything about it looks strong. The tail is huge, wide and stiff. They say the tail alone looks almost like half of a human body. That tail is pure power. This is why they are careful around it. Even when the fish is already dead, it is still dangerous. One wrong move, and someone can get hurt. The core weight, the usable meat, is about 650 pounds. 650 pounds of core meat. That is the part that will be sold. Another important detail, despite what people hear on TV, this fish will not sell for millions. The price per pound is usually between $3 and $10. So even with a massive fish like this, the total value is somewhere between about $1,800 and $7,000. Still good money, but not insane money. This fish also becomes a new boat record. After the measurements, they start processing the fish. They cut the gills. They bleed it properly. This is done to protect meat quality. They remove the organs and clean the inside. Some parts are discarded back into the ocean. Those parts are not used for sale. This is standard commercial fishing. Nothing emotional, just procedure. Then they pack the fish with ice. A lot of ice. The goal is to keep the temperature low and the meat fresh. Once everything is done, the deck is cleaned. The fish is ready for transport. From here it goes to a local fish market and will be sold. So after all the numbers, after the weight, after the size, everything slowly calms down. The fish is already processed, packed with ice, secured. The deck is dirty. People are tired. This is the part most videos don't really show. No excitement anymore. No adrenaline. Just silence and heavy breathing. They look at the fish one last time. Not like a monster. Not like a trophy. Just like the result of a long day. This fish will go to market. It will be sold. It will become food. That's it. No magic ending. For the fishermen, this is not a legend. It's a job done right. They didn't come for a story. They came for a result. And today, they got it. Tomorrow, the ocean will be the same. Same water, same horizon. And they will probably come back again, because this is not about one fish. This is about doing the work over and over until it works. And that's where the story really ends.